Have you ever looked at that bright yellow spice in your kitchen and wondered if it's really as special as people say? If you've heard about turmeric but never really paid attention to what it can do for you, this is the video that might just change how you see it forever. Turmeric isn't some health fad. It's been used for thousands of years, not only in cooking, but also as a natural remedy in ancient Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine. And now, modern science is backing up what ancient healers have known all along. Turmeric is packed with benefits that can help you live a longer, stronger, and healthier life. Today, we're breaking down the top 10 amazing benefits of turmeric that you need to know. From reducing pain to protecting your heart, this humble spice could be one of the most powerful tools in your wellness routine. Let's get into it. 1. Turmeric fights inflammation like a pro. Let's start with inflammation. This is one of the biggest reasons turmeric has gotten so much attention. Inflammation isn't always a bad thing. In fact, it's part of your body's natural defense system. But when inflammation becomes chronic, meaning it sticks around for too long, it can cause serious problems. It's been linked to everything from arthritis to heart disease, diabetes, and even cancer. Turmeric contains curcumin, which is a natural anti-inflammatory compound. Unlike some synthetic medications, curcumin targets inflammation at the molecular level, without harmful side effects. Studies have shown that turmeric can be as effective as over-the-counter anti-inflammatory drugs in reducing symptoms of inflammation, but without damaging your liver or stomach. That's a huge deal, especially for people suffering from long-term conditions like joint pain or autoimmune issues. If you're looking for a natural way to fight off swelling, stiffness, or chronic pain, turmeric could be the solution your body has been waiting for. 2. It's a powerful antioxidant. You've probably heard about antioxidants, but let's quickly explain why they matter. Every day, your body is exposed to oxidative stress. This comes from pollution, poor diet, stress, and even normal metabolic processes. These factors produce free radicals, unstable molecules that damage your cells and accelerate aging. Antioxidants neutralize those free radicals and protect your cells. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is one of the most powerful natural antioxidants discovered. It doesn't just protect against cell damage, it also boosts your body's own ability to create antioxidants. So if you want your body to age more slowly, your skin to stay younger, and your organs to function better for longer, turmeric offers a natural line of defense. 3. Supports brain health and improves memory. Here's something a lot of people don't know. Turmeric could actually help your brain stay sharper longer. As we age, levels of something called BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, begin to drop. This protein helps neurons grow and stay healthy. Low levels of BDNF are linked to mental health conditions like depression and even degenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Curcumin has been shown to increase levels of BDNF in the brain. That means it could support better memory, improve mood, and even lower the risk of age-related brain diseases. Some studies even suggest that turmeric may improve attention span and reduce symptoms in people dealing with anxiety and depression. It's not a replacement for medical treatment, but it's a powerful support. Adding turmeric to your diet could be a small change with long-term benefits for your brain. 4. Helps in managing arthritis and joint pain. Arthritis is one of the most common reasons people experience chronic pain, especially as they get older. The inflammation and stiffness in joints can make daily movement feel like a chore. And while prescription drugs may bring temporary relief, they often come with side effects like stomach issues or increased risk of bleeding. Turmeric offers a natural alternative. Clinical trials have shown that curcumin can reduce joint swelling and pain. In some studies, turmeric was found to be just as effective as ibuprofen for people with osteoarthritis, but without the stomach irritation. This makes turmeric an excellent option for people looking to manage joint discomfort naturally. Whether it's from aging, overuse, or an inflammatory condition, adding turmeric to your routine might help you move with less pain and more freedom. 5. Supports heart health. Heart disease is the #1 cause of death globally. It's not just about cholesterol, it's also about inflammation, oxidative stress, and the condition of your blood vessels. Turmeric addresses all of these factors. Curcumin improves the function of the endothelium, the thin layer of cells that lines your blood vessels. When the endothelium is healthy, your body can regulate blood pressure and prevent clotting. When it's damaged, your risk of heart attacks and strokes goes up. On top of that, turmeric reduces inflammation and oxidative stress, two key drivers of heart problems. Regular intake of turmeric, especially when combined with other heart-healthy habits like exercise and a good diet, could reduce your risk of cardiovascular disease and keep your heart functioning at its best. 6. Aids in digestion and gut health. Digestive problems can sneak up on you. Bloating, gas, indigestion, constipation. You might not even notice them until they start affecting your energy or mood. Turmeric has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to soothe the stomach and improve digestion. It helps by stimulating the gallbladder to produce bile, which breaks down fats and assists in overall digestion. It's particularly useful for people with conditions like irritable bowel syndrome or inflammatory bowel disease, as it calms the gut lining and reduces discomfort. If you often feel heavy or sluggish after meals, a warm turmeric tea or adding turmeric to your meals might be the natural remedy your gut is craving. 7. May help prevent certain types of cancer. Let's be clear, turmeric is not a cure for cancer. But some of the latest research is showing that curcumin has potential as a part of a cancer prevention and treatment plan. In lab studies, curcumin has been shown to slow the growth of cancer cells and even promote their death in some cases. It appears to affect several biological pathways involved in cancer development. Researchers have observed its effects on colon, breast, prostate, and pancreatic cancers in early-stage testing. So while we need more clinical studies to confirm these effects in humans, the results so far are promising. What's exciting is that turmeric seems to work at the cellular level, fighting inflammation, reducing tumor growth, and stopping cancer cells from spreading. So while it's not a standalone treatment, adding turmeric to a balanced lifestyle may help protect you over the long term. 8. Boosts immunity naturally. Your immune system is your body's frontline defense. And if you're someone who catches colds often or struggles to bounce back from illness, turmeric might be your new best friend. Curcumin enhances immune function by regulating immune cells, improving antibody responses, and even helping fight off viruses and bacteria. It's especially helpful during flu season or in times of high stress when your body is more vulnerable. Turmeric doesn't overstimulate your immune system. Instead, it strengthens and balances it. This means fewer sick days, better recovery times, and more energy to do the things you love. 9. Supports liver detoxification. Your liver is your body's detox center. It filters out toxins, breaks down waste, and keeps your blood clean. But with modern diets, alcohol, medications, and environmental toxins, the liver often gets overwhelmed. Turmeric steps in to support liver health by boosting the production of important enzymes that flush out harmful substances. It also helps prevent fat buildup in the liver and reduces inflammation in liver tissues. This is particularly helpful for people with fatty liver disease or those who are regularly exposed to toxins, whether through diet or lifestyle. If you're trying to reset your body and support natural detox, turmeric is an easy and affordable way to give your liver the support it needs. 10. May help with weight loss and metabolic health. Let's talk about something many of us think about: weight. While turmeric won't melt belly fat overnight, it can support your weight loss journey by improving several metabolic factors. First, it helps reduce inflammation in fat tissue. Chronic inflammation is often linked to obesity and metabolic disorders. Second, it improves insulin sensitivity, which plays a major role in how your body stores and uses energy. Some studies suggest that curcumin may suppress the growth of fat tissue, reduce cravings, and enhance fat burning, especially when paired with exercise and a healthy diet. So if you're looking to boost your metabolism and make your weight loss efforts more effective, turmeric might be a great addition to your routine. How to use turmeric effectively. Now you might be wondering, how much turmeric should I take? The truth is, turmeric by itself isn't easily absorbed into the bloodstream, but there's a simple fix. Combine it with black pepper. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine, which enhances curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. You can add turmeric to your meals, take it in capsule form, or mix it into smoothies or teas. Just make sure it includes black pepper or piperine if you want the full benefit. And remember, always check with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or on medication. So there you have it, the top 10 benefits of turmeric, backed by both ancient wisdom and modern science. It fights inflammation, protects your heart, sharpens your brain, soothes your joints, helps your digestion, and may even play a role in preventing chronic diseases like cancer and diabetes. In a world filled with complicated diets and expensive supplements, turmeric stands out as a simple, affordable, and natural way to take better care of your body. It's not a miracle, but it's definitely powerful. If you learned something new today, or you're thinking about trying turmeric for yourself, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical health tips just like this one. And I'd love to hear from you. How do you like to use turmeric? Do you take it as a tea, in capsules, or in your meals? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to share this video with a friend or family member who could benefit from this natural wonder. Thanks for watching, and take care of yourself.